With superheroes in short supply, who's watching your home or business?
Hoffman Electronic Security has been securing the Central Valley since 1979. We're Merced County's only locally owned full-service alarm dealer.
Our central station operators are here to watch over what's important to you, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
We offer residential and commercial, burglar and fire alarms, and currently protect over 2,000 of your friends and neighbors. We also offer camera systems designed for businesses and agricultural facilities.
In addition, we also provide medical response systems to allow seniors to enjoy a full life from their own home. We can also utilize your existing alarm system to provide you with local monitoring.
You're too late. Hoffman was watching this one.
Call or visit our website today for free security survey for your home or business. Hoffman Security, who's watching your home or business right now?